Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to crochet some leg warmers, and you can either make these long to fit on your leg and keep your legs warm, or just short as boot cuffs. You can wear them over the boots or inside the boots. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with Bernat Premium yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, and you're going to work a foundation chain. Work a foundation chain that will wrap around the largest part of the leg in multiples of 2. Like that, a foundation chain that will wrap around the largest part of the leg. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Like that. Chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So go ahead and work 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making 1 double crochet in each stitch. There's my last double crochet. There's my chain 2. So I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, 1, 2. Like that. Chain 2, 1, 2. The chain 2 will count as a stitch. In the next stitch, I'm going to make a front post double crochet. Yarn around the hook. Insert the hook under the post from the front of that double crochet. Pull the yarn through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And that is a front post double crochet. Here's the next stitch. We're going to make a regular double crochet in that stitch. And I'm going to repeat that across the row. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Front post. And a regular double crochet. Like that, and you're going to repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, alternating a front post double crochet and a regular double crochet. There's my last stitch. I ended with a front post double crochet. So I'm going to find my chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. This will count as a stitch. Double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Just a regular double crochet in each stitch all the way around. like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and there's my row of double crochet stitches. There's my last stitch. There's my chain 2. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. Chain 2. And I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that, double crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. There's my chain 2. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. And that's my first 4 rows. Okay, so now I'm going to work one more row of double crochet. So a chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and I have slip stitched to join, and now my next row is going to be a row of front post double crochet. So chain 2, in the next stitch make a front post double crochet. In the next stitch make a regular double crochet. In the next stitch, front post double crochet, and in the next stitch a regular double crochet. Repeat all the way around. So you'll be working 3 rows of double crochet and a row of front post double crochet. So that's how it's going to look. And now your repeats will be 3 rows of double crochet, 1 row of front post double crochet. When you work that row of front post double crochet, it also makes the row below it, which would be the 3rd row of double crochets, protrude. So just keep repeating these 3 rows until your boot cuffs or your leg warmers are the length you would like them to be. So if you just want to make short boot cuffs, you just stop whenever you like. So for these, you could work 5 or 6 rows, and you'll have short boot cuffs. For the tall leg warmers, just continue to add more rows with the 2-row repeat. And there you go. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet these easy leg warmers or boot cuffs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.